What's up everybody, have two videos back with an early fall edition of the Eufy E18, E15 lawnmower enhancements, upgrades, and hacks. Today we would be installing these spikes for the wheels. I don't know if they'll fit, honestly. I just kind of took a chance on these from Amazon, hoping that they do give me a bit more traction, get those hard to reach areas, climbing up hills, and even semi-aerate spike your lawn. You have some potential benefits, or at least side effects that could be in use to you. So here I will show you kind of what I'm working with. Got my dirty, mucky, I swear I cleaned this thing last night when I was out. Gosh, already, when you cut wet, it seems to just leave a pile, and some of this grass smells. I really got to give this thing a good cleaning at some point. Anyway, see, I got my extra large 9 blades. That is freaking awesome. They're doing really well for me. I've got my 2 drills here. Gonna use them, probably simultaneously, like drill the hole. They want you to drill a hole in each individual, I guess you'd say, stub of your wheel. And then once you drill it out, then you put this little spike, it's maybe about yay big in. So I'll fast forward through all of it so you can see what I'm doing. Just wanna give you guys an explanation overview. And of course I'll have a following video just to see how this does tackle the lawn. Excited, a bit hesitant to see, will this work? Could just be a waste of money, but either way, I think this will enhance and improve the traction of the mower itself. So peace out, more to come. What's up everybody, I'm back. See, the first thing I did was place a nice clean microfiber towel underneath the camera. I don't want to screw them up at all. Never actually opened these up before, but let's see what I got with this package. And again, if you want to turn off your lawnmower, set stop button was stuck. Yeah, I don't want to trigger any type of notifications through the app and have my phone buzzing off the hook while I'm trying to get this done. So this is what it looks like. And these are very small. I mean, these are minuscule. Look at those. I mean, I don't know, 1/2 inch at best. I mean, it's not what I had expected, but we'll see. Hopefully I can have this down to a science and just zoom, 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 pop them in. See what the size of they are. There you go. I don't know if it'll be all that noteworthy, but again, you will see where we net out at. So here's the tool itself, which I'm gonna put in, I'm gonna dump these in the other bin here. All right, before we get started. So got the bin loaded up, got the tool, and I've got the little itty bitty drill bit. This will really harm your wheels all that much if you do drill them. So let's see how this all kind of works out. And I will get going here in just 1 second. Let me get my lights on. Okay, I'll save this for later. Put that on the side. Use this red drill, the drill bit. Doesn't even really have instructions. I don't know, I didn't look on the website, whatever. I guess this is just truly DIY. And I've seen these mounted before. You want to probably put the hole right in the middle. Yep. That's not going as planned. It's a lot harder than it looks. Yeah, this isn't going so well. We have liftoff. I have made my first hole right in the middle. There's the proof. Try to put my first spike in. Bear with me here. Nice. That's pretty neat. I mean, that's going to give you some more traction. I don't know if it's gonna tear up my lawn. Guess I'll find out, but I think either way, this is going to be the answer that you need, especially on some wet days when you're like, oh boy, lawnmower's getting stuck here. So we'll find out once I turn this thing loose. But you know, I think even if you, I mean, if you want to put every single one on, is it going to cost? No. But if you want to do every other one, I mean, I would just, you know, recommend. Here's the next one. Nice. Alright, for this next portion of the video, I'm just going to narrate myself. My kids were in the background yelling, so that didn't go as planned. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what my backyard looks like. This is the early fall where I've just done some overseeding. I've been cutting around 2.2 inches. You see that tall grass in the back? That's generally where I will have to weed whack. I have a 7-inch Greenworks handheld weed whacker. I have a 21-inch push behind too. So yeah, this would be a huge benefit if this E18 can actually not only get itself in there, the places that are pretty steep slope, you can't see because the grass is covering it, but the grass just falls off. The E18 got stuck there numerous times. I made all of that in no-go zone. Said, the heck with this. Let's see. I mean, in this first attempt, it starts to get up and down all grass. It makes a clean pass, but then at the same time it turns around as the navigation map comes back around. So this is the video I wanted to really hone in on. It goes right into the tall. Not only did it not even have a concern about can we tackle this or should we go in slowly? Just boom, full speed ahead charge. And see, it starts to get stuck. It's spinning its wheels. I'm like, come on, spikes, come on. I know you can do it. It's cutting the grass at the same time, so you see when it leaves, actually did what it was supposed to do. Turned around, no issue. So I was happy about that. It was like, poof, a little nervous, right? At the same time, it's not getting all the way down the hill. It was mainly halfway. You'll see once it starts to get down the hill, it's a steep slope, and the front wheel gets stuck. If it was four-wheel drive, wouldn't have an issue, but that front wheel is just digs in, and it just doesn't have a way to really get itself out of the dirt there. So we'll see when it makes the second attempt here. It's pushing forward. Come on. I know you can do it, E18. Let's go. It's continuing. Oof, there it goes. And that's generally where it would get stuck. There's a pile of dirt down there. Tall grass. It's like, not having this. Wheel spin. There you go. So you see how it spins and kind of what we are working with overall. But I'm watching. I'm trying to zoom in. I'm like, where is it stuck? Boom. All of a sudden, it just spins itself out. I was like, wow. That was pretty impressive. Didn't even have to help it at all. So didn't really tear up my grass. Cut the at least tall, it's at least a foot there. Final verdict, very happy with this 60 minutes or so of time I had to invest, maybe an hour and a half, all in total, of like cleaning the machine, getting it back out there. And please check these out if you haven't already. EM Berg Lawn Spikes, how-to videos approved. Hope you enjoyed my video. Like, comment, subscribe.